Hello everyone. We are going to see a topic in chapter gravitation. In this chapter gravitation we are going to see the force of attraction. This force of attraction is gravitational force of attraction between a hollow spherical uniform density and a point mass body. We have a two type of a body. One is a spherical hollow spherical body and another is a point mass body, and we are going to see gravitational force acting between both here in this case. So to see that, let capital M is denotes mass of hollow spherical cell of uniform density, and small m denotes the mass of point body. So two masses, and the gravitational force of attraction we will calculate under two cases. So we are going to see case number 1. This is, see here, case number 1 is point mass is outside of spherical cell. So see carefully how we are going to see this point mass is outside the spherical cell. To understand this, let us consider the concept. We have, suppose, a hollow spherical cell body. Let this is having center O. Here in this hollow spherical cell body, its mass is capital M here given. Its mass is a capital M here. See carefully. And let its radius is capital R. Right? And another point mass body is here kept. Point body, let its mass is small m. Both are separated by a distance, and point mass is outside the body. Clear it is? So we are going to see the gravitational force acting between both. Let this distance between both we will take from the center of both. It is, let this distance is given smaller here in this case. Right? So see here, the distance between spherical cell and point mass will be taken from the center of both, although there is no mass at the center of spherical cell. Mass is only distributed on the surface of spherical cell in 3 dimensions. Right? In that condition, gravitational force acting between both gravitational force acting between both is represented here by this formula capital G, mass of spherical cell capital M into point mass of a body by, and it is represented by equation number 1. No change in the calculation anyone if it is kept outside to it. So it is same like as the 2-point mass kept away from that, the force of attraction is also given by the same formula. This is the normal formula of that. So no change in the formula when point mass is outside the spherical cell. Now, we are going to see in the one different case. What is the different case here? See carefully. This is case number 2. In case number 2, we are taking point mass is inside the cell. Uniform density cell, it is inside that. So it can be clear, understand by here in the diagram. Let this is a spherical cell having mass capital M, its center of radius capital R, and point mass, see, it is kept there here, having mass small m. This is a distance between both. Let this distance is represented by smaller. If point mass is inside the cell, the situation is different from this. Here the point mass is outside, so the this force is a gravitational force acting between both, is just same like as 2 point mass, and it is given by this formula, capital G m by r square. But extra attention is needed when point mass is inside the cell. If it is inside the cell, see carefully. This spherical cell consider as a point mass. So in all possible direction in 3 dimension, cell is a 3-dimensional space, hollow sphere. Mass is distributed on that. So force of attraction by this point mass towards this, another point mass, this side, it will be attracted by all possible direction. So net force acting on, let this is at point B and it is at origin O. So net force acting on point B is 0. So one is cancelled by another. Provided that this situation is maintained only if spherical cell, this R is not much more large. In that condition, it is 0. So what does its physical mean? If no force act on this implies that gravitational force inside hollow sphere of uniform density is always 0 at any point. The situation is the same if point B is anywhere here within the spherical cell. So these are the two cases between here inside the spherical cell and outside the spherical cell. So see, this is for today only. Thank you and have a nice day to all.